Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how a good quality background wash can dramatically change your painting. We're starting with a medium-sized flat brush and some clear water. First, take a generous amount of water in the paintbrush and make the areas wet where you want your background wash to be. Then take a medium to large sized round brush and place your desired background wash colors near the flowers. I'm planning to work with some purple, blue and pink. The colors near the flowers should be the darkest, to create some shadowy effects, and it should kind of blend into the background away from the flowers. You should be a bit slow and cautious while working on the edges of the flowers, and use quick and swift movements while working away from them so that the flowers stay nice and clean and the background isn't stiff at all. As you can see, I've started with some purple paints and some blue on either side, then letting them to blend into each other. I'm adding this bright opera pink to create some luminous effect in the background. Blending is very important while creating these kinds of washes. But you can also keep some sharp edges where it feels suitable. Change your brush sizes according to your need of precision. I'm keeping this opera pink in the middle so that it looks like some reddish bright light is glowing from behind the flowers. Now it's time to do the same kind of work on the other side. The colors you choose totally depends on you. This, by the way, is a wet on wet technique that we usually apply while doing watercolor paintings. I personally love working like this because it's very relaxing to me. I think it's important to have fun during the process. Don't think too much, don't worry about how it's going to turn out. Just apply the paints on the wet surface and let them do their own magic. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.